Here's what I got from Bath and Body Works and Yankee Candle. Look at this. Look at this adorable bag from Bath and Body Works. And then look at the bag Yankee Candle gave. Like, I know technically it was right after Christmas, but I'm sure just like Bath and Body Works, there would have been bags left over. And you get this really cute bag and you get that bag from Yankee Candle. Come on, Yankee Candle. Step it up a little, huh? You make enough of money where you could give us a cute Christmas bag. Just saying. So from Bath and Body Works, I got 2 items, but I'm only going to show one because the other one is a gift. I got this room spray in spruce scent, and these were on clearance for $3.75 a can. And then Yankee Candle, I got 2 of their room sprays. Even though I prefer Bath and Body Works room sprays, I didn't really like the look of the cans this year. So I just popped into Yankee Candle and I got a North Pole and a Cascading Snowberry. And these were clearanced for $4. Which is actually funny because I've gotten these on a regular sale for like $3, $3.50. So this actually cost more being on clearance than a regular sale. But I did just pick it up because I do need them. And I'd rather splurge and pay another $2 or $3 for these room sprays than just get the grocery store ones like the Glades and all those. I don't care for those. I don't think they work. So I'd rather pay a little bit more and get better quality. So for tonight's dinner, I'm having some leftover meatballs and Alfredo noodles that I made for New Year's, and a side of greens to make this a little bit more healthy, and some pineapple chunks. You're gonna see a lot of leftovers from the holidays in this particular what I ate. It's now Wednesday afternoon and we are officially under a blizzard warning, so Denny ran to the market to get us some things that we might need since we're probably going to be snowed in for a day or two. So I'm just going to pull it out. None of this was coupons, or it was basically, you know, what we could get. The white bread that he picked up just happens to be organic. And he said that was $2.99. This was $2.79. I still have half a bag, but I've been trying to eat a lot more greens. Kind of my New Year's resolution sort of. So he just grabbed this 5 lettuce mix from myself. And, well, here I am talking about healthy, and then I had him pick these up. I seen these there before Christmas, and I passed them up, but I've just, like, been in the chip mood, which is usually not like me, but yeah, I'm gonna give that a try. And I had bought these the last time I was there, and these are really good, so I figure at least they're baked. Just got some those crisp crackers there. These were two for $6. I just grabbed one of those because my son requested Ritz and cheese. And then in here, I had him grab me 2 oranges. I'm the only one who really eats fruit in this house. So 2 oranges, 2 bananas. Here's the cheese from my son. Got the pre-sliced one. And I had him get me some fruit cups. I usually always get these on sale. Well, not these, but fruit cups in general. But I used my last one this morning, and I like to always have these around. So this one was on sale, the Star brand. They were 3 for $5, so I had him just pick one up for me to hold me over. So this is kind of a snowed in, snacky, some stuff that you really do need kind of haul. So yeah, it's been that kind of winter and that kind of week. I also had him grab 2 apples. I think I skipped over that. If you haven't tried these are really good. I got one going right now for my son, and I'm going to mix it with the Alfredo noodles and make a meal out of it for him. For my dinner tonight, I personally love doing this, a mishmash of leftovers. So right here I have the Alfredo noodles, and I kind of did the same idea I did for my son, but I used this with it, and then greens, a little bit of ravioli, like 1 meatball, and a little bit of the au gratin potatoes and a banana. But this cabin fever is giving me quite an appetite. My poor urns. So for tonight, on this very snowy day, we are having some steakums, and we're having it in sandwiches. Snowy day is a perfect day to have some comforting sandwiches. I actually took mine and added some of the scrambled eggs I made this morning because I always make extra. I took a little bit of the steak and I just mixed it up with these greens, and I'm going to have myself a salad. It won't be as heavy as having it in a bread, and I ate really well earlier, so I'm not that hungry. So I think this will just do me fine for the rest of the night. And I've already tried it, and it is delicious. Snowman cookies fresh out of the oven for a snowy day. Tonight for dinner, I'm making Philly steak bread bowls with the steakums that I made last night. I got the second loaf in the oven, and I've got pasta going, and I'm gonna cook it up with some Alfredo sauce and some mozzarella cheese. It should be yummy. So here you have it. The bowls are done. I made 4, but I already had mine. And basically it's the bread hollowed out. I cut them in half. I made 2 loaves. And it's got the rotini with the Alfredo. And then a nice big layer of mozzarella. And then the Philly steak. And then just a lot of sprinkle of the Parmesan cheese. And these are all set. Everything is already cooked. All it needs to do is be warmed up, oven, microwave is fine, and it'll melt all those cheeses together and perk up that steak, and there you have it. That's dinner tonight.